Fine. And make it like this. S kind of. Like S. Okay. Like this. Do like this. This tree, when
What is this?
this is tree.
Tree. So big.
Yeah.
What is tree?
Make it tree leaves. I do the leaves over here. Okay. Like this. Okay. I make some up the tree, make some stone over here and some tree grasses, okay, over here and there.
Fun. Are you trying fun and roll of stones? Fun?
Yes. Try good. Take time. Please show. I'm not finished yet. Now we can go ahead to.
This background, so that's how.
Nice, very good.
So should I do this now?
Yeah. Sorry, beta.
So when did you make this now?
This is. I not do the Krishna. This is the little Krishna movie. One scenery. This the village peoples are. Okay, this is some scenery of little Krishna. Hmm. I give it. Here's some house. See, one house, small. One house, small, and tree. And tree over here. Sitting down. Both are sitting down. Sitting down. Yes.
Also, can I make some butterflies?
Yeah, you can make some butterfly. So I make some tree, some stone. Okay. Hey, keep already eraser. Why will you keep eraser? I don't keep eraser more. See eraser there. Here.
I want white eraser.
No,
White.
because I give you eraser on top. Take it. So eraser, your sister, yeah, use it. Yeah.
Can I draw some insects?
Yeah, you can draw something, whatever you want.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
That helps me color.
Wait. Make tree and make cloud. Okay. Make cloud. Make character. If you try here one character, can I draw character? One. Can you try, all of you? This is very simple. One circle, two eyes, nose, mouth. Okay. One lady. I draw. Why?
There is no space here.
Okay. If you want, you can. If you not want, leave it. This is one lady, okay, taking water. One lady come for water. I would color it. Put yellow ochre.
You can color out yourself.
Here yellow ochre put.
And I think we also use soft pastel.
Yes, you can use. Start the color.
Sir, I don't have a green now.
Okay, so you are using other color, another yellow. Okay, and lemon yellow. First put the lemon yellow, few areas.
Sir, which color you using?
The bells are I heard now.
The open.
And which color are you using?
Lemon yellow and light green. You not go, you not go.
Sir, what's next drawing?
Next drawing, not you color it better.
Sir, I'm still bothering and reading.
You bothering what? First green and light green.
Sir, can we color in our room? Sir, can we choose the one color?
Finish it and go. Tell your sister.
Sir,
Put
sir,
the
can we color on our room?
Yeah, I can put color your own also.
You forgot the color.
Finish it and go. The Papa is waiting. You can put deep green.
Open the color inside.
Okay, sometimes you put a Prussian blue. Okay, make a very light sky blue.
Well, completed my drawing. Can I show you my drawing, sir?
Yes, please show, please show. Hi ma'am, just wait 2 minutes, we are not finished yet. Class, I just finish. Finish and go home. Papa is ready, go. Just next 5 minutes. No, just finish it. It's just next 5 minutes. We are finish it. I send that picture, and you are finish at home. Okay.
Okay.
I finish. I show you how to draw, how to color. You are just doing finish at home.
Okay.
Wait next 5 minutes. I, I Lalita ma'am, Manshi ma'am, just wait 2 minutes more. We'll finish it. Yeah, I can use the old color also. Hi ma'am, just wait 2 minutes. We are almost finished.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, yeah. I put some green color. This is the heel kind of things, but so far, so this color is green and the blue. Okay. And put over here some deep green.
Ma'am, sir, on the do we have to color dark blue or light blue?
Dark blue or the light blue for mountain, the cobalt blue. Done? Okay. Okay, we should put this inside the color. Okay, let's do it. I make it the stone gray color. Okay.
Sir, can you speak?
Yes.
Sir, can you see my drawing?
Yes, beta. I see. Drawing is good. Go. Yeah. Put color the second tone in down of stone. This is some shadow because the under the tree. So you make some shadow. Okay. Some shadow. So
So please see me more.
yes, I see your book.
It's not working.
Hmm?
It's not working.
No. Go. This is the violet color, the saris, that lady. Okay. Not details, but little bit of. Okay. This is a cloud of blue. Put the green color more the foreground. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye. All kids. I say the picture now. You can. Bye. Bye. All kids can leave. Only the. Bye, beta. I say. Change this drawing now. Okay. Bye. Bye, kids. Left. Plan.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Show your drawing and bye. I can start the next class. Okay. Now only.